Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. Glad to see you here. Today we'll talk about the investment in the stock market. This is pretty interesting issue, and if you always wanted to know how to make money online and how to invest wisely, be my guest. Join this video, watch it till the end, because I hope this will be very useful for you. And before I've started, I want to share with you the information about the platform that I'm trading on, because this is important. There's a lot of platforms, but I love the most this one, and I'm trading on it, and I have all of my portfolio on it. So go to the description panel of this video to find the link, press the link, go to the platform, and join to great world of investment. All that I want to say that a lot of people thinking that investment is something difficult, is something crazy hard, and I don't want even to start. This is absolutely nonsense. If you want to start investing, you can start from $10, because a lot of people thinking that you need to have a lot of money to start investing. No, you just need to start. That's it. And when you get to the platform, you'll see that there's plenty tools on it to make money online, and all you need is to have your laptop or your cell phone and internet connection. This is absolutely amazing. I want to show you the list of the companies. There's 185 companies that you can trade on and you can make money on. And when you decide to start investing, you should first of all, you should invest in the company that you know and in the company that you believe in. In the old companies, there's great like Amazon, Tesla, Facebook, Apple, Nvidia, Spotify, plenty tools to make money. 185 of them almost closed, it's unavailable right now, but you have tons of companies that you can trade on. For example, let's see what's happening. Let's see the companies was in the red zone. Daimler. Everybody knows this company. Everybody loves Mercedes, isn't it? And you do. I'm sure that you do like the company. Do you want to become a part of this company? Do you want to become an owner of this company? Because you should think about investment in the stocks like about the ownership of the company. When you buy a stock, you become a stakeholder of the company, the small one, but just imagine all the business, all these companies working just for you. In the small amounts, yes, but imagine you become an owner of a big factory that produces the cars, world known and pretty cool cars, isn't it? Let's see what's happening in the market. Right now, there was a big growth, a little bit falling, and the great spot was right here. But I believe that the company will grow more because they're producing the cars and they will not disappear tomorrow. For example, as it's happening with some new startups and IPOs or like different companies that just appearing and it will disappear tomorrow. This company is stable. This company is old one. Why not invest on it? For example, I want to buy, because I believe that price will grow. I want to buy, or if you know that the company will fall down, for example, even on it you can make money. Then you're pressing sell button. But right now I'm pressing the buy button, and I will wait like a couple hours or maybe days to see what's happening with the prices for this stocks, for the stocks of this company. Of course, any platform taking small fee for make all the actions with official company, and it's okay. It's pretty easy. Let's find some other company to buy. Let's see what's on this list. Cool. Also automotive company, and I have some stocks of this company, and I even forgot that I have stocks of this company. I bought it a long time ago, and right now it's a little bit lower the line, but it's okay. You can open more, you can buy more anytime. So look at that. Look at this great and absolutely amazing tool. This widget shows how all the traders on this platform making their decisions right now. So 88% of people buying stocks of this company. I want to buy stocks of this company also. And you see that company was right here, and the trend is up going. Even with this small movements, the trend is up going. That's why we're pressing buy and waiting, just waiting until the company prices will grow, and after we'll close the deal, we'll get our profit, and that's it. Let's see what's happening more. Buyer, for example, what's this? Pharmaceuticals company. Also, the trend is up going. Let's buy some stocks. I have some amount of money on my balance, and I can invest like $1,000 per once, yeah. But if you don't have big amounts of money, just start with a small one. The minimum amount of deposit on this platform is starting with a $10. So everybody has $10, and as soon you'll become an investor, you'll see that couple days or couple even hours, and you'll get your profit. This is pretty amazing because you become an owner of a company. First of all, this is very important. All those companies in the list, you know them almost, like the most part of these companies, you know. I don't know, this one, for example. So it doesn't matter. What matters that when you investing, you given this small amount of money, and on this small amount of money you can make big profits. You can trade for long time, for short time, and mid, but the main profits you're getting with a long holding of the stocks, because if you hold in stocks for a year, for example, the company is sharing with you the profit of the company, and you getting your dividends for that. You holding the stocks, and company is sure that you will not sell them, or like you will go away from the company. And in that case, you can make even more money. Or you can let's see what's happening here. Visa, for example, asset is closed, Facebook is closed. I have a Facebook stocks, and Facebook brought me 200% of profit. 200% of profit. Isn't that great? I think it's great, and I think that you should try it yourself. To do that, go to the description panel of this video, find the link, and go to the platform. When you pass the registration, you'll be able to trade, you'll be able to buy or sell stocks of the big and great companies that you know for sure. All the links in the description. Go, use it, be my guest. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this was useful. And kindly asking you to subscribe to my channel and press the notification button not to miss all my new videos that I'm making just for you. Thanks, and see you in the next videos. Bye.